Welcome to Melbear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I will show you how I made this beautiful pink nightmare Valentines snakeskin pink camo resin tumbler. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you enjoy. Oh yes, and I almost forgot, it glows in the dark. Alright, so today we're going to do a Valentine's Day monstrosity. And it's going to be a resin tumbler, and we're going to use a white tumbler for this. And I bought these metallic alcohol inks, and I'm going to use, we're going to use the silvery, the rose gold, and the gun color, and pearl. And we're also going to use some glow powders. We've got rose red and pink. And then we've got some regular alcohol inks in pink, black, white, and magenta. And we're also going to use these very pretty bright coral chunky glitter from Recollections. And you need 30 ml of resin. And I think that's it. We are going to start with 30 ml of epoxy resin, which I have already mixed. And we're just going to cover the whole tumbler. And I've already prepped this tumbler and I have sprayed it with just white matte paint. White matte primer also works. Alright, so we've completely covered the tumbler with the resin, and now I'm going to start with the bright coral glitter. I'm going to put this on the bottom of the tumbler. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the glitter over the rest of the tumbler, just a little tiny bit. And just more at the base. Alright, now we're just going to drop some of the pink alcohol ink, and this is the metallic rose gold. Actually, we're going to pull this off the turner to drop some of this on here. Then we're going to add some of the pink glow powder. And we're going to add a little bit of the rose red powder as well. Alright, and then we're going to add some of the pink alcohol ink. And this is non-metallic ink. We're just going to kind of, I wanted to kind of be in little flicks, not in big drips. And I've got another alcohol ink here. This one's metallic and it's called Silvery. And it actually is just silver. And for this one, I'm going to pull this off again. And I've got a bit of powder in the crease of this. I'm just going to wipe this off here as well. And we're just going to drip this Silvery. And then we're just going to stick it right back on there. I'm going to add some more of the peach red down here with the glitter. And then I think we're going to add a little bit of black up here. Okay, we're going to let this spin for a while and then we'll be back. I've been letting this spin and then I added a little more black and a little more of the pink to the tumbler because I'm trying to make this like I want it to be a pink nightmare. That's what I'm aiming at. I think that's what it's starting to look like. So you can see kind of the glitter mixed in. I want it to be like a Valentine's Day nightmare. So we don't want it too perky. We want some black mixed in there. But I don't want it to look bloody, so I'm aiming for pink. I want it to be just like a nightmare Valentine. Looks like it's going to be quite pretty. So we're going to let this spin. And it has to spin for about, this epoxy takes about 24 hours to cure, but it takes about 8 hours to get firm. So I'll just come back tomorrow and show you guys what it looks like. So I've come back to check on the cup once more, and I decided to add another layer of the chunky pink glitter all over the whole cup, and then we're going to let it cure for 24 hours. So I'm back and the cup is cured, and what I'm going to do is pull it off the turner and then sand down any high spots. Then we're going to mix 20 ml of the epoxy again, cover the whole cup again, let it cure 24 hours, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. And here is the tumbler all finished. It's such an awesome pink nightmare. I love it. It almost kind of reminds me of pink camo. Regardless, it's gorgeous. Or even like a pink snake skin. It's so cool. And then we can't forget that this also glows in the dark. And it turned out absolutely fantastic. It's glowing pink and purple, and it's just beautiful. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this one as much as I have. I put out at least one new video every week, so please do subscribe. If you enjoy the content, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help to get the channel noticed. Thanks so much for watching.